Do you ever feel that at a certain situations you feel that you can be lying to yourself at times? As much as you want to deny it, we have all lied at some point, even myself. And even though we believe it's a small lie or a big lie, we need to start being true to ourselves. I am credible because I have lied myself about certain situations, but I feel bad about lying. And that's like lying to myself, so I end up saying the truth because I'm that kind of guy that loves speaking the truth. My thesis will be, we should all come to an agreement to start speaking the truth and to stop lying to ourselves, that we need a way out of cases. So there's a problem with lying, which is mostly about pretty much lying when you're with someone, like your loved one, and then lying when you come late to a class, saying, oh, I couldn't come, with an excuse, like you just come up with a random excuse just to get out of it. So even though it's a big or a small lie, it still kind of affects and damages all of us inside. One of the problems is that many people cheat on their loved ones. And another problem is that when we show up to classes, we don't show up to classes, like we just try to avoid it. Oh, whatever. We don't show up to classes. That's another problem that goes on. And there's many things that causes this. That first of all, the loved ones, like lying to your loved ones, cheating on them, is kind of like lying to them. Because once you get caught in the act, you try to come with something like, you're just like, oh yeah, we're just friends, we're blah blah blah, stuff like that. Like you just make up an excuse just to get away from it and try to avoid that problem with them. And when I did my research, one of the websites, yourtango.com, mentioned that there's 5 reasons why a guy cheats, and one of them is for emotional connection, intimacy, and then the last one that they mentioned was for the sex. That's why they cheat on their loved ones. And for girls, it mentioned that in hubpages.com said that the girls cheat because they need attention. They blame their problems on the guy, and they feel that they do it before their guy does it to them. And the last one was they believe that they won't get caught in the act. A cause of coming to class late is that you probably didn't end up doing one of your assignments, so you're just like, hey, I'm going to just skip class, might as well. Cause I'm going to come up with an excuse tomorrow, come to my professor, go like, oh yeah, sorry, family problems, my car broke down, what else, my grandma died. How many grandmas do you have that dies every time? And that's what kind of, it's like, even though it's an excuse to get away from it, it's still lying to yourself, because you're like, damn, honestly, I feel that I'll be the one feeling bad deep inside, because I'm all like, damn, I have to lie my way through it just to slide through this problem. A solution we could come up with is we could all agree that we could keep away from damage to ourselves by just speaking the truth. For the first one, just tell your loved ones what happened. That will lease the damage of what you tell them, because if they find out from someone else or they find out themselves, it's just way bigger problems than just speaking it and just telling them the truth. And then another thing is a solution for coming late to class, missing an assignment, not doing your homework. You just speak to your professor, tell them the truth. Oh, I couldn't do it because of this and that. or just because I was a lazy person. Try to figure it out. Probably the professor will help you out. In any case, I believe that the professor will love that you speak the truth to them, and they'll try to find a way to help you out. So, in conclusion, I believe that all of you guys should speak the truth, speak your mind, just believe, just try not to actually lie about small situations. Yeah, it might not seem like a lot, but still, it comes better just speaking the truth. I believe that all of you should speak the truth and just come up with it, because as much as you believe that lie is like, oh, it's just a pity lie, it's still a lie. It's still deep inside. So, as now, when you think of lying to a person or about a certain situation, try to just remember how much could you carry that with you throughout your whole life, or just for that time, because you could feel guilt about it, and it'll just like bug you, and it'll be in your conscience. So, as I say, let's speak the truth now.